Review of Asian Paints. Profits jump, stock takes rest. A company that started its business in a garage in 1945 had 23 crores of sales in 1952. 2020 sales is 20,500 crores. Company launched washable distemper, promoted as don't lose temper, use tractor distemper. In 1954, Paint Bucket Boy, Gattu, gets created by R.K. Lakshman, and Asian Paints is double the size of any other paint company in India today. It has presence in 15 countries, and its December 20 quarter sales grew at 26%, and its profits grew at 56%. Will this growth continue? Goldman Sachs gives a sell rating for the stock and at a target of 1633. Will it happen? Why this downside rating? JSW has entered the paints business, and now Grasim is entering paints business. So these are seen a big competitive threat for the company where it is expected to lose market share. Let's see how the company's rankings and ratings are. Coming to price rank, Asian Paints ranks at 75.1. Companies that have ranks more than 70 are good to be tracked for investment. Earnings rank is 70%. That is about 30% of the companies in the market that we track. Today's list is around 702 companies. 30% of that, about 210 companies are giving better profit growth than Asian Paints in the market. While Asian Paints has its own fan following, it's always the overpriced stock still commands demand as well as premium. Currently, price after the result was announced has taken a small hit, which needs little more attention. That's why this investor is using his lens to check what has gone wrong and where is the good time to invest in the stock. Plot of closing price of Asian Paints along with the ranking. 6 months back, Asian Paints price rank was at 69.5, close to 70. It had been volatile while started climbing along with the price move. Price had given a good run in the last 6 months from 1,806 to 2,407. Near 35% gain in the last 6 months alone. Coming to the EBITDA, positive EBITDA, 45% growth in quarterly EBITDA, and on TTM, companies after a small dip during COVID times has come back to positive at around 4% EBITDA on TTM. Peer group comparison, obviously Asian Paints leads, and it's always been the best company in the sector. Among the 4 top paint companies, Asian Paints is the best on both price rank and earnings rank. Going to business growth, always a good profitable company. It took a beating due to COVID, went down, sales went negative, even profit growth went negative. While there is a sharp recovery from September quarter to December quarter results, even margins have started to pick up slightly. So efforts have paid. That's why the teacher is giving a star mark report card to the student. Investors, obviously Asian Paints is a investor's favorite stock. Here in the last 1 year, FIIs have made the biggest gain. So fat bag loads of cash, hand, pocket, everything is cash. So foreign institutional investors made the biggest money out of the stock's move, while mutual funds have failed to take advantage of the stock's gain, that 35% gain the stock had. Even retail have neglected the stock. Coming to the charts, always on a strong trend, uptrend stock. Even now it is continuing to show brilliant strength. Consistent outperformer, while it needs a lot of patience because it doesn't have a straight upside run. It goes up, consolidate, goes up, consolidates. Now the stock is in buy levels. That doesn't mean we can jump in and buy the stock. Need to evaluate. It needs to get some strength because the depth of price fall has been higher. So look for some strength build up in the stock and then it will be a good buy. Valuation 2.28 lakh crore market cap stock. PE is at 83.24, sector PE is 81, so fairly valued, and it has always been a highly valued stock, which we told earlier. 37 analysts tracking the stock. Out of them, 14 of them are given a buy and the target they have given is 3,350. Fantastic, nearly 40 to 50% gain that is there between the current price and the target. In the last 1 year, stock has outperformed the benchmark about near 3 times, while on the 3 months and 1 month period, it is lagging the index. So all the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Do your due diligence, get to know the strengths and weakness and the risks in the stock before deciding to buy a stock. Thank you.